In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send your ClickFunnel funnel. We're going to walk through the simple process of grabbing your funnel link and sharing it wherever you need, whether that's with clients, your email list, or on social media. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your funnel URL, how to copy it correctly, and some smart ways to share it so people actually see and use it. First, let's access your funnel inside ClickFunnels. Start by logging into your ClickFunnels account and heading to your main dashboard. On the main navigation, look for the section labeled Funnels. Click on that, and you'll see a list of all the funnels you've created in your account. Take a moment to make sure you select the exact funnel you want to share, especially if you have multiple funnels that look similar. Once you've found it, click on the name of that funnel. This will open up the Funnel Workflow Editor. This is the main area where you normally edit your pages, steps, and overall funnel structure. For now, we're not changing anything inside the funnel. We're just here to grab the link. Now, at the top of the Funnel Workflow Editor, you should see your funnel URL displayed. This is the live link that people will use to access your funnel. Move your mouse over that URL. When you hover over it, a small copy button should appear next to the link. Go ahead and click that button. When you click it, the funnel URL is copied to your clipboard, which means you can now paste it anywhere you like. A good habit is to immediately paste the link into a blank document or a note, just to double-check that it looks correct and to keep a backup handy. With your URL copied, you're ready to share your funnel. You can paste this link into an email and send it directly to your email list or specific prospects you're working with. You can share it on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or Instagram by dropping the link into a post or your bio, depending on your strategy. If you have a website, you can add this URL behind a button or a text link so visitors can click through to your funnel. You can also plug the URL into your paid advertising campaigns, such as Google Ads or Facebook ads, to drive targeted traffic. And finally, you can share it in direct messages, text messages, or any messaging app you use to communicate with leads or clients. That's all there is to it. Access your funnel, copy the URL from the editor, and share that link wherever your audience is most active.